Hello everyone, I'm Elsa from INNOSS Tech Lab. Today, I'm going to share with you about a pivotal player in the world of automated trading and how it stands out in the dynamic market. In the realm of market trading, where transactions are swift and market fluctuations are constant, the challenge lies in capturing every trading opportunity using human capacity alone. However, it's in this challenging environment that a certain tool has emerged as a valuable ally for traders. This tool, known as an automated trading tool, is a trading software based on computer programs. It operates unaffected by emotions or fatigue, enabling it to make calculated and prudent trading decisions in a rapidly changing market. This ability empowers it to seize trading opportunities better and reduce trading risks. As the saying goes, opportunity knocks but once. In the market, missing out on one opportunity could translate to missing out on significant gains. Yet, automated trading tools can swiftly capture these opportunities and make real-time, accurate trading decisions. From another perspective, with the market changing rapidly, traditional manual trading struggles to keep up. Automated trading tools, however, can instantly analyze vast amounts of data, predict market trends, and make optimal trading decisions. This sets them apart in the market, and more traders are starting to favor them. At INNOSS Tech Lab, we deeply understand the challenges and opportunities of the market. As a result, we've developed advanced automated trading technology, blending artificial intelligence and quantitative analysis. Our tool can stand out in the swiftly changing market, not just by predicting market trends, but also by adjusting trading strategies in real time to keep users on the right track. In summary, the market is teeming with both opportunities and challenges, and automated trading tools have emerged as standout performers in this environment. They help us better grasp trading opportunities and mitigate trading risks, all while requiring continuous strategy optimization to adapt to market trends. I hope today's sharing offers you a better understanding of the role of automated trading tools in the market. If you're intrigued by the advantages of our tool, please feel free to reach out to us anytime for more information. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time.